9 months after 23-year-old Nirbhaya was brutally gang raped by 6 men in a moving bus, a fast-track court is all set to pronounce its verdict in the case. If convicted, the accused face a maximum punishment of death penalty, and the nation demands nothing less.
Scenes of anger from across the nation. Thousands of voices coming together for one cause. Justice for Nirbhaya, a 23-year-old student savagely gang raped and murdered by 6 brutes. Today, 9 months after the horrific crime, a judgment will be pronounced.
The verdict in the case will be pronounced by a Delhi fast-track court that heard the case over a period of 9 months in 130 hearings. The 4 remaining accused in the case will be charged with murder, with attempt to murder, with destruction of evidence, gang rape and dacoity, among
Less than a week back, the most barbaric of the rapists escaped severe punishment. The juvenile accused was sent to reformatory home for 3 years, all because he was 170 days short of turning 18.
I think the government response was found wanting. I think a lot more needs to be done. It's not enough just to have a strict law in place, but also to implement it, enforce it, make sure people know. The way Nirbhaya was brutalized in the most heinous manner, I think it deserves the strictest punishment.
The gang rape victim died, so it will be, these accused will be punished under 302. They would be given a death penalty, which the country is hoping. However, under the earlier law, been given life imprisonment.
For the family, the wait for justice has been long. They have been hoping for closure for months now.
एक आस लगी थी कि चलो हमारे साथ जो कुछ भी हुआ है हमारी लड़की को न्याय मिल जाए। इसी आस पर आज तक हम लोग बैठे हुए हैं। जबकि आप देखो पिछले हफ्ते जो जुवेनाइल वाला आया था, तो ये डिसीजन सुनकर तो बहुत रोना आया। इस देश में है क्या?
Finally, it's Judgment Day, and not just Nirbhaya's family, but the nation will hope for the most severe punishment for these.